Hello viewers, it's me, Joe Amos, and I am today going to be talking about the MPPT charge controller. I've just got this from Amazon.co.uk. This is a British-based video because I know a lot of videos come from the US and abroad, but I wanted to talk about this because this is a fantastic piece of kit. I have watched hundreds and hundreds of videos about charge controllers because it's one of my passions, that and solar, and nearly all of them point to the ePever as a fantastic choice. This one cost me £60 as of July 2020, and this one is a 10 amp one, so I'm going to open it up just to show. So it came in today. I've already taken out the instructions. It comes with a temperature sensor, which is absolutely brilliant. Stops from overheating. Comes in the packaging, and there we have it. That is the MPPT charge controller, and again, if you can see that on the video, this is a model Tracer 1210. It has a input voltage of 12 to 24 volts, so you can either run things in batteries in series or in parallel, but again, you need to be careful because this one is only a 10 amp regulator charge controller. The maximum input voltage, okay, so the maximum from the solar panel you can put into this is 100 volts. Most panels, 12 volt panels, run anywhere from 15 to 20 volts. You can put a bigger voltage in these, so if you want to run two panels in series you can, but again, you must not go over the 100 voltage. It has a max input power. Again, the solar panel must not be more than 130 watts at 12 volts or 260 watts at 24 volts. Really quite happy with this. I've used PWM controllers and they are brilliant. They're cheap, but they're only about 50 to 60% efficient. These are heading towards 90 to 95% efficiency, okay? And you know it's a half decent because even when I took it out of the box, it was quite weighty. Good thing about this, again, it has the temperature sensors, which goes in there. And these connection blocks are really good quality. I have a solar iBoost system which I use for my extra solar power from my house on a device, and it has these type of connections, and that handles up to 3000 watts or 3 kilowatts, and that's at 240 volts. So really impressed by the quality of those. It also has a COM port and obviously the heatsink on the back, and the COM port you can connect up and do your monitoring from there. I know these are good. There's a guy on YouTube called Will Pros. He's a DIY solar guy and he tests everything, every charge controller, and he's done some fantastic videos. That's for in the States, but again, this is a UK version, and this is a decent piece of kit. It has some sort of, yes, again, we all know everything is made in China, but it does have some type of quality control because there's actually the pen marks where it has actually been ticked off. I don't know if you can see it on there. I'll try and get it close as possible, but yeah, you should be able to see it has gone through some quality control, which is fantastic. This is a really good piece of kit, and in the next video I'm going to hook it up to my 100 watt Renogy solar panel and put it onto a battery and then go through some of the menus with you to show it working. Okay, thanks for now, and I'll see you in a bit.